For male to female, MTF, individuals embarking on their transition journey or those who enjoy cross-dressing, one of the biggest challenges they face is concealing and covering beard shadow. It's disheartening to aspire for a feminine appearance while being plagued by visible facial hair that serves as a constant reminder of their assigned gender at birth. Understanding beard shadow is crucial in order to effectively combat it. This pesky phenomenon occurs when the dark pigment remaining in the hair follicles beneath the skin shines through, even after shaving. Regardless of diligent grooming routines, managing this persistent shadow can be an uphill battle for many transgender women. The problem lies in both the physical attributes of facial hair coarse texture and often stubborn regrowth, as well as its impact on psychological well-being affecting self-confidence and hindering authentic self-expression. But fret not. In this video, we will guide you through proven techniques and offer helpful tips that can aid in minimizing the visibility of beard shadow, leading you towards a more flawless canvas for your femininity to shine brightly. So without further ado, let's delve into these transformative solutions together. Taking care of your skin is an essential step in achieving a flawless and natural-looking makeup base, especially when it comes to hiding beard shadow. Before diving into the world of makeup, it's crucial to establish a skincare routine that prepares your skin for the application process. Start by cleansing your face thoroughly with a gentle cleanser suited for your skin type. This will remove any dirt or excess oil, ensuring that your foundation sits better on your skin. Once you've cleansed, consider using an exfoliating scrub or facial brush to gently slough away dead skin cells from the surface. Exfoliation not only creates a smoother canvas but also helps diminish beard shadow visibility by encouraging new cell regeneration. Remember to follow up with toner to balance the pH levels of your skin and minimize the appearance of pores. Next, amp up hydration levels by applying a suitable moisturizer. Opting for one with lightweight texture ensures that it absorbs quickly without leaving any residue behind. Adequately hydrated skin not only becomes more plump and radiant but also provides an optimal base for makeup application. To further enhance moisture retention, consider incorporating a hydrating serum or primer into your skincare routine. These products replenish lost moisture and create a barrier between your skin and makeup, allowing foundations or concealers to glide effortlessly while offering improved coverage over beard shadow areas. Lastly, don't forget about sunscreen. Protecting yourself from harmful UV rays is vital in maintaining healthy glowing complexion. Choose an SPF product specifically formulated for daily use under makeup. Look out for non-greasy formulations that won't interfere with smooth application later on. In conclusion, preparing your skin appropriately before reaching for those cosmetics is paramount when attempting to conceal beard shadow effectively. By following these simple steps, cleansing thoroughly, exfoliating gently yet effectively, toning and moisturizing adequately, and protecting with SPF, you create a smooth and hydrated canvas for your makeup routine. Taking care of your skin in this way not only ensures better results when hiding beard shadow but also promotes overall skin health. Remember, investing time in skincare is key to achieving the flawless female appearance you desire. One of the key steps to effectively conceal and cover beard shadow is through color correction. The blue-grayish hue that often accompanies facial hair can be challenging to camouflage with traditional makeup techniques alone. This is where color correctors come in, as they work to neutralize the unwanted tones before applying foundation or concealer. When it comes to color correction, two primary shades are typically used: orange, peach, and green. Orange or peach correctors are ideal for counteracting the bluish tones commonly associated with beard shadow. These warm-toned correctors help cancel out the cool undertones of facial hair, creating a more even canvas for subsequent makeup application. On the other hand, green color correctors work best for individuals with darker skin tones who may experience hyperpigmentation around their beard area. Green helps neutralize any redness or discoloration caused by irritation from shaving or ingrown hairs. To achieve optimal results, it's important to choose a corrector shade that complements your specific skin tone. Consider consulting with a professional makeup artist who specializes in working with MTF individuals during this stage of transition. Their expertise can make all the difference in achieving seamless coverage and an effortlessly feminine appearance. When it comes to covering beard shadow, having the right tools and products at your disposal is crucial. One of the first steps in achieving a flawless base is choosing the right type of foundation. Cream foundations are great for providing full coverage and evening out skin tone. Look for oil-free formulas that won't clog pores and cause breakouts. Brands like Dermablend and Kryolan offer high-quality cream foundations that are specifically designed to cover beard shadow effectively. Another option worth exploring is using color-correcting products such as color corrector creams or concealers in shades of peach or orange. These can help neutralize the bluish tint often associated with beard shadow before applying foundation on top. Popular brands like Makeup Forever and NYX offer excellent options in this category. In addition to creams, powders can also be a handy tool for setting your foundation and ensuring long-lasting coverage throughout the day. Opt for finely milled translucent powders that will minimize shine without adding extra texture to your skin. Some noteworthy brands include Laura Mercier, Coty Airspun, and RCMA. Finding the right shade match may require some trial and error. Don't hesitate to ask for samples at makeup stores or consult with professional makeup artists who specialize in gender transformation techniques. Remember, investing in quality brands will not only provide better coverage but also ensure longevity during wear, helping you maintain a confidently feminine appearance all day long. One of the key aspects to successfully concealing and covering beard shadow is mastering the art of blending. Whether you choose to use a makeup brush or a sponge, it's important to understand how to achieve seamless integration with your surrounding skin tone. Firstly, let's talk about using a brush. Start by applying a color corrector in an orange or red shade directly over the beard shadow area. Gently pat and blend it into your skin using short, quick strokes. This helps neutralize the bluish hue that often accompanies facial hair regrowth. Next, pick up your foundation or concealer with your brush and stipple it onto the same area, making sure you're working in light layers for maximum coverage without caking. Now on to sponge usage. Dampen your makeup sponge, a beauty blender works perfectly, before dipping it into your chosen color corrector shade. Lightly press and roll the sponge over the beard shadow area until it becomes less noticeable. Don't forget to blend outwards towards your jawline for a more natural gradient effect. Once you've achieved the desired correction, follow up with foundation or concealer applied in tapping motions using either end of the damp sponge. Remember, whether with brushes or sponges, blending is key. Take extra care around areas like chin curves or upper lip contours where uneven application may be more apparent. With practice and experimentation with different techniques, you'll soon become an expert at seamlessly integrating makeup and achieving flawless coverage that conceals any signs of beard shadow. Once you've perfected your foundation and concealer routine to cover beard shadow, the next step is to set it in place. Setting products are essential for preventing smudging and keeping your makeup intact throughout the day. There are several options available, including powders and sprays specifically designed for this purpose. Powders can be a great choice for those with oily or combination skin. Translucent setting powders not only help to set your makeup but also blur imperfections and absorb excess oil, giving you a flawless finish. Simply use a large fluffy brush to lightly dust the powder over your entire face, focusing on areas where you applied concealer. For those who prefer a spray option, consider investing in a setting spray that offers long-lasting hold while providing hydration to your skin. These sprays create an invisible barrier that locks in your makeup and extends its wear time. Mist it evenly across your face after completing all of your other makeup steps. Don't forget about touch-ups. Carry blotting papers or pressed powder with you throughout the day for quick touch-ups if needed. With these setting products by your side, you'll have peace of mind knowing that regardless of what activities lie ahead, your carefully concealed beard shadow will remain hidden from prying eyes. When you've put in the effort to conceal and cover your beard shadow, it's essential to know how to maintain that flawless coverage throughout the day. As time goes on, beard shadow can begin to peek through your makeup, potentially dampening your confidence. To avoid this situation, here are a few tips for touch-ups that will help you keep that feminine look intact. Firstly, always carry a concealer compact or stick with you for easy touch-ups. This portable companion will allow you to quickly address any areas where your beard shadow may start showing. By dabbing a small amount of concealer onto the problem spots and gently blending it in with clean fingers or a makeup brush, you can effectively re-establish that smooth canvas. Another helpful tip is utilizing blotting papers before touching up your foundation and concealer. These thin sheets are designed to absorb excess oil without displacing any of your carefully applied makeup. Patting them over your face can reduce shine caused by sweat or natural oils without disturbing the coverage of products covering your beard shadow. Lastly, setting sprays play an important role in prolonging the life of our makeup, including concealed beard shadows. Once you have finished touching up any visible areas, lightly misting a setting spray all over your face can help lock everything into place and provide added protection against smudging or fading as you go about your day. Remember, maintaining flawless coverage should not feel like an overwhelming task but rather be seen as an opportunity to show off the incredible strides made in embracing who we truly are. Stay confident and take pride in every step towards presenting yourself authentically. Once you've mastered the art of concealing and covering beard shadow, it's essential to care for your skin properly. This will not only help minimize hair growth but also ensure that your skin remains healthy and glowing. After removing your makeup, it's crucial to follow a skincare routine tailored to your individual needs. Start by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser that suits sensitive skin types. This will remove any residual makeup or impurities without stripping the natural moisture from your skin. Follow up with an alcohol-free toner to restore pH balance and tighten pores. Next, consider incorporating products that can assist in minimizing hair growth over time. Ingredients like retinoids or alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs, have been shown to inhibit hair follicle development when used consistently over several months. Look for moisturizers or serums containing these ingredients and apply them after toning. Lastly, don't forget about soothing and hydrating your skin post-makeup removal. Use a lightweight moisturizer enriched with hyaluronic acid to replenish hydration levels and soothe any potential irritations caused by shaving or makeup application. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare routines. Results won't appear overnight. Stay committed, listen to your skin's needs, and be patient as you nurture yourself towards achieving the best version of you. Building confidence is an essential part of the transitioning process for MTF individuals. While concealing and covering beard shadow may be a temporary solution, it's crucial to remember that true self-confidence comes from within. Embrace your journey, celebrate your unique experiences, and focus on personal growth. Remember that each step you take towards expressing your authentic self brings you closer to living a life filled with happiness and acceptance. In addition to practical tips for beard shadow coverage, here are some words of encouragement to help boost your confidence. First and foremost, embrace self-acceptance. Understand that everyone's transition is different, and there is no one-size-fits-all approach. It's natural to have some insecurities or doubts along the way, but remember that these challenges are all part of the journey towards becoming your authentic self. Surround yourself with positive influences who support and uplift you during this time. Seek out communities or support groups where you can connect with others who understand what you're going through. Sharing stories, advice, and experiences can be empowering and remind you that you are not alone in this journey. Focus on personal growth by engaging in activities that make you feel confident in yourself as a whole person beyond just physical appearance. Explore new hobbies or skills that allow you to express yourself creatively or intellectually. Celebrate milestones along the way, whether they are related to transitioning or other aspects of life, as achievements that deserve recognition. Remember, building confidence takes time. It is a gradual process rather than an overnight transformation. Be patient with yourself and practice self-compassion throughout every stage of your journey toward embracing your true identity.